North France, about 150 million years ago. During the Jurassic period, France exhibited a rich and remarkably well-preserved fauna. The underwater topography was steep, and sedimentation was primarily influenced by mineral-rich deposits, indicating a low-energy, deep-water depositional setting. The reefs in France display unique characteristics when contrasted with modern reefs. Ichthyosaurus. Piscivorous ichthyosaurid. The initial complete fossil found in the early 19th century in England was Ichthyosaurus, which was discovered by Mary and Joseph Anning in Lyme Regis around 1814. Ichthyosaurus was among the smallest Ichthyosauruses, with a believed body length of 3 to 5 meters. It is famous for its exceptionally large eyes, which are around 20 centimeters in diameter and are thought to be one of the largest of any animal on record. Ichthyosaurus fossils have been found in Europe, but especially in Wales, England, and France. It is proposed that Ichthyosaurus functioned as a ram feeder, as the structure of it indicates an inability to perform suction feeding, relying solely on its jaws and teeth to seize prey. Furthermore, Ichthyosaurus is believed to have been a pursuit predator, capable of maintaining rapid swimming speeds akin to those of contemporary fish. Fossil evidence suggests that female individuals of this species evolved unique characteristics to thrive in the open sea, giving birth to live offspring instead of laying eggs. This adaptation likely provided a survival advantage for their offspring in the marine environment. The stomach contents of Ichthyosaurus suggest that it primarily consumed cephalopods, particularly belemnites, and fish. Similar to other Ichthyosauruses, it probably relied on its vision, potentially in conjunction with its sense of smell. But it's not all good news for the Ichthyosaurus, as they aren't the only aquatic predator in Jurassic France, because there is always a bigger predator in the sea. Liopleurodon. Piscivorous pliosaur. Based on the smaller specimens, it is estimated that liopleurodon individuals measuring about 4.8 to 5.7 meters long would have weighed around 2,200 to 3,700 pounds, while one large skull specimen of liopleurodon has an estimated total body length of 6.3 meters. Liopleurodon's 4 paddle-shaped limbs show its swimming skills, a common trait among pliosaurs. Studies reveal that this method of propulsion provides great acceleration, beneficial for an ambush predator. Liopleurodon's 4 paddle-shaped limbs show its swimming skills, a common trait among pliosaurs. Studies reveal that this method of propulsion provides great acceleration, which is beneficial for an ambush predator. Liopleurodon fossils have been found in Europe, but especially in Germany, Britain, and France. Most remains are unknown regarding the daily existence of Liopleurodon. A compelling theory, derived from the anterior orientation of its nostrils, suggests that this marine reptile possessed an advanced olfactory capability, enabling it to detect prey from considerable lengths. The designation of this marine reptile translates to smooth-sided teeth in Greek. This nomenclature was attributed to the species by paleontologists who discovered 3 fossils of smooth-sided teeth in a town in France in 1873. Each tooth measured approximately 3 inches in length and lacked any distinctive features, which is the reason scientists have labeled it as smooth-sided. In a swift turn of events, the hunting Ichthyosaurus finds itself in the role of the hunted, desperately seeking shelter within the coral structures to escape its pursuer. The Liopleurodon may not have been as fast as today's great white sharks, but it was certainly swift enough to satisfy its hunger. Equipped with 4 wide, flat, elongated flippers, this marine reptile could propel itself through the water at a significant speed when hunting, rapidly accelerate when chasing down Ichthyosauruses or any other prey. The surviving Ichthyosaurus swiftly swam through the water, leaving the hungry Liopleurodons behind with the help of their speed. Their companions being eaten served as a grim reminder of the brutal nature of prehistoric existence. However, the strongest members of the group persisted, pushing themselves to the edge until they found safety. Thankful for their survival, they understood that they had narrowly avoided death and grasped the essence of survival of the fittest in the perilous ancient sea.